What's up, everybody? It's Shiro. So we're back once again over here with you, and yes, I kind of sound like music again. If y'all remember, back in the past few weeks that I sounded like that. I am going to show Alfredo noodles. She made it along with pork chops, and you know, not really the pork chops. But I also want to let you know give me a second while I bring the ball out. See if this light work. Man, I wish this light work. Oh, hold up. One thing I did forget. The darn spatula is what I need. Can't grab it with my bare hands. Spatula. Okay. This is the spatula I need, not with no holes in them. Let's go back. Finally got this spatula. My little niece Sunshine is up, even though I'm not going to show her. I was going to show y'all, but I'm afraid that YouTube might cut the comments off. So let me not do that. Unless I do, if I do show her once, that's probably okay. But if I showed her a lot, YouTube might cut the comments off. Are these the right one? Ugh, it's dripping. But yes. Now, I'm not even going to get a lot because I got math, like I said, at 12:45. This is the Alfredo noodles that my mom made, along with pork chops. Alright, so I'm going to put them in my bowl, heat them up in the microwave. What time is it? It's 12:34. Let me hurry up. Let me go ahead and get fixed. Yeah, it was a little drippy, and I'm making it, and it's sitting on top of a glass stove. And get one more scoop. So there's a big spatch. Yeah, like 3 scoops. Sir, right back here, get serious. Rinse this off. Need to grab this patch. Alright, y'all. We are now gonna heat this up for 1 consecutive minute. Open up the mic. Yeah, open. 1 minute. All right. Even the microwave say 12. All right, y'all. When 1 minute is done, we're gonna go ahead and get that out. Now I won't post this right away because I already said to have something at 12:45. So once that gets finished, I'm gonna grab it, go ahead and eat it before 12:45, and then around that time, around I guess 2 or 3. I don't have any work to do. I don't have any math work to do because I turned them all in. And this week will technically be the last week, but I did mine on Friday, both last week's and this week's. So I'm a little cool. So I'm gonna post a video. As soon as I get finished with my math class. All right, y'all. I'm gonna grab them at the the microwave. They should be delicious. I'll do a taste test for y'all. Okay, it looks better. It looks better in the light. Well, it looks better in the light, don't it? Yeah, and I think I just got Alfredo sauce on my screen. All right, y'all, we're gonna grab a spoon and enjoy. Not with a baby spoon. We got new silverware. and I'm gonna eat this in my territory, where I'm gonna give you the reaction taste. Set this down, cut the light on, and I'm gonna give y'all this big reaction taste, and then I'm about to sign out of here so I can be at my math class on time. But I'm gonna hurry up and eat this too. Here's who I am. Alright. We're gonna lean this. Wonder if y'all can see me. Oh, F. Everyone, sorry about that. But here goes the reaction taste before I sign off. Oh, I almost went down the wrong pipe, guys, but it's got broccoli in it too. I forgot to tell y'all. Alright, y'all. This is Andre Walker signing off. Before I go, I want to congratulate everybody for subscribing to my channel. I've got 14 subscribers now. If y'all look under my name. So y'all keep the subscription going. 5,000 subscribers this summer, and this is probably the last time I'm eating this because my other goal is to lose weight as well. So alright. This is Andre Walker signing out. I'm getting off of here before Miss Holly calls me. Peace. Oh, and also, maybe later on I might actually do a workout video with the same beat I just used for the little slideshow. It's already on YouTube, so y'all go and check it out. Alright, peace.